Hello and welcome to FlightSketch. Today we're going to show you how to build the FlightSketch Shark. The Shark is a simple kit that can easily be built and flown in the same day. To get going, we're going to start with the motor retainer. That's these three components here. We're going to start with what is the airframe side of the retainer. It's the smaller piece, and you can see on one side of it there's a flange that will be the top side. This will get assembled to the coupler tube. And to do this, we're going to use a medium CA, and we're just going to apply a little bit to the top side of the tube. A small amount all around the perimeter, and then insert into the retainer and give it a little bit of a twist to spread the glue. Next, we're going to assemble this into the bottom of the fin can the same way, adding a little bit of glue to the coupler, and then inserting into the bottom and twisting to spread. And that's it. The cap you can set aside until we're ready to fly. Next up, we're going to take the shock cord and get one of the free ends, and we're going to make a loop to attach to the fin can. So the first thing is to fold it over and make one loop, and then fold it over again to make a second loop, and then bring that up through the bottom and then inside of the middle loop. And when you pull through, you'll have a loop that can be adjusted. So if you look at the fin can, on the top end of it, there's a little bit of a notch. And on one side of it, there's an indent to hold the knot. So we're going to loop this around here, and this is actually what retains the shock cord. And then pull that loop tight, and you can see that the knot will actually fit inside of that recess. So to assemble this to the airframe tube, take the other end of the shock cord. We're going to go all the way down to the free end, and then slide that all the way down into the tube. And then pull from the other side and bring it all the way up. All right, now we're going to take a little bit of glue, and you'll want a little bit on the top and on the bottom section, not too much, but equally spaced around the sides. After that, make sure that both ends of the cord are inserted through the tube, and then do the same insert and spin to spread the glue. If you get a little bit of a drip, wipe it away with the paper towel, and that finishes the lower half of the assembly. So now we're going to set this aside and work on the streamer. So to attach the streamer, we're going to do the same sort of loop that we did before. Fold over once, fold over again to make that middle loop, and then go from the back through the middle, and then pull tight into a loop. To attach the streamer, we'll open it up and then start by folding it in half once, and then fold in half again. And then once you have a smaller piece of streamer, insert it through the loop and then just tie a knot. Do one, and then again. And that will attach on that side. And then finally, for the nose cone, you can see at the base of the nose cone there's a slot, and then the nose cone tab inserts into that slot and provides a hole to mount the shock cord. So to attach the tab, we'll apply a little bit of glue to either side, Make sure you get a good bead on that side, and then again on the opposite, and then insert the tab and press down. Now to attach, we'll do a simple knot on the end here, around one side, and then go through to the other. And now that's it. So now the model is fully assembled, and the only thing left is to pack the streamer and fly. You'll want to wait at least maybe 10 or 15 minutes to let the glue cure. And of course, when you actually go to fly the first time, you'll want to make sure that you use fireproof wadding before you install the streamer. But we're just going to roll this up, insert into the body tube, and then fold the shock cord and insert as well. So we'll pack that into the tube and then follow with the nose cone. And that's it. That's the basic structural assembly of the kit. And now we'll add the decals. So the decals provided actually come as a sheet. They're pre-cut, you can see, but there's transfer tape on the front of it. So the easiest way to apply the decals, you can cut them apart, and again, they're pre-cut, so we just have to do a rough trim around where the tape is. So you can cut them out individually, peel off the transfer tape, and then line it up on the model, and then press down to it here. Once you've got it fully attached, you can peel up the transfer tape from the corner, and that's it. So you can repeat with the rest of the decals, and then the motor retainer screws on at the bottom, and that is the fully assembled Shark. Thanks for watching. Please let us know if you have any extra questions. You can always find more information at our website or contact us at sales@flightsketch.com.